This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of heating and HVAC testing equipment, biggest selection and best pricing on the internet, create a free login to see best pricing once logged in. Link in description below. Good morning, guys. It is May 16th. This one here I got a call for AC just blowing warm air. AC system blowing warm air, so on my way up there. It's starting to get warm enough where you can run them now. It's, right around 70 degrees. To set the charge on the unit, it really should be a warm day. But we'll go over there and see what's going on. It might be a cap. A lot of these systems I work on are old antiques. People don't want to spend the money. They don't mind spending $300-400 for a charge, but they don't want to spend, $7-8 grand for a new system. But we'll see. Try to get some shots when I get there. She could be a leaker. She might be a leaker. Yeah, she might be a leaker. Put a new filter in there. We'll check the unit outside.
No. Does that look like that it's still okay, the unit?
I have no idea until I look at it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's old.
This heating unit? Yeah.
Well, you replaced it.
Well, the thing is, did he replace the unit outside? Looks like it's been changed.
I think you changed it once.
Did I?
I mean,
yes.
The outside unit?
The outside unit,
so.
yes.
How long ago was that?
God,
I don't know.
That must have been a long time. That must have really been a long time ago.
Yeah, because I think it was
Remember you cut this out over here. You've done all the work on the thing except when I call those shitheads down one time. You did this.
It's got a piston.
When remember it was leaking water all over the place?
Well, you know what it was?
You sure it was me?
Yes, I'm sure it was you.
All right, we'll run it and we'll check it. We're going to see what's going on with it.
You fixed that. We never had a water problem after that.
Yeah, okay, so that's fixed.
That was even good.
So we'll check the unit outside, see what's going on with it.
To me, I don't know anything about it, but I know a little bit about cars when I had problems with a car.
So I left the other ones in the back there, okay?
Okay, thank you.
It sounds like it's leaking whatever they put in this shit now. What is it? It's not
Freon?
anymore, is it?
Yeah, it's still Freon, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, that's what they put as R22 or something like that.
R22, but it's getting expensive now because they stopped production on it.
Well, the guy puts them in last year.
Well, through the...
Well,
A year ago.
where's the return?
Return vent?
Yeah, where's the return vent? Should be in the middle of the house somewhere.
Okay, there's a return vent here.
Yeah, that's what I need. There should be a return. Okay, right there. Alright, 62. We'll check it outside. It don't sound like the compressor's running. No, the compressor's not running.
No, they just did some work on the gas things because we had a leak.
Oh, I guess so. Well, what a place to put it.
Well, I guess it's not supposed to be too close to the unit here, or too close to a window, which I guess it's new in the past year since they put this in. But they did a lot of work digging, and there was a leak. They didn't find the leak right away.
No?
It was the piping. There was a leak around the piping.
Oh, they found it though.
Yeah, but I had to go out and find it for them.
You had to find it for them?
They came through.
You better hang around. Maybe you can find the leak for this unit.
No, really. I'm not trying to. But the thing is, where it was leaking, and I said, gee, this called them. Yeah, sure enough, there was a leak that they never even detected.
Mouse nest.
This
Mouse nest.
mouse nest.
Yeah, that's what this is.
Oh wow.
How does that get in there?
Nice.
Well, they're tiny enough, I guess, huh?
Yeah, they make a flipping mess. They chew on all the flipping wires. And they can make a mess, put it that way.
Well, on the other hand,
See if it starts. Compressor's not running. Compressor's not starting. Did check the capacitor. I got a 50 microfarads. I put a hard start kit on it. We'll see if it starts. Then if it starts, I'll strap it in. See if it starts up. See if the compressor will start. No. Compressor's not starting. Not good. Not good. Out. I mean, it's nothing. I mean, it's zero.
Okay, now they put it in last year, less than a year ago, and it cost us $379.
Yeah, well, it's gonna. I mean, this is an R22 system. The thing's completely out. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to upgrade to a newer system at this point. I mean, the thing's 35 years old inside, and this is a 22 unit. So the new units now they're not compatible. It's 410A.
Oh.
So you're gonna need to go to. I mean, you want to see it? I mean, there's no pressure. And the compressor.
So the Freon, was there a leak?
There's a leak for it to leak out. So there's a leak. It's probably in the evaporator inside. I mean, the thing's 35 years old.
Yeah.
So not good. Not good. It's a little 3-tonner. 36.
There's no Freon at all.
It's out. It's out. Completely out of Freon. So. Whirlpool 22 unit. Alright, so we got it's a Rheem unit. You're gonna have to give them a price on changing it out. It's 35 years old, the coil and stuff, so we'll probably go with a new Rudd furnace and a coil. Right on top of there. See what we got here for. This one's 46. 58 to that ductwork. This is going to be kind of odd here. I'll probably have to put a reducer in here and then 245s down. That's probably what I'll put, a reducer in this and then 245s down to wherever I'm going with the 17.5 inch wide. You've got a 3-ton in here now. See what's the return. 20 inches. Turns 20. Our refrigerant lines will go all the way straight out. I'll bring a new line set right in here. I'm gonna run a new line set right out, straight out.